This is the Lego tutorial. I'm going to draw a simple Lego block. I already pre-measured my Lego block. I did an 1.25 inch by 0.62 on my top plane. I'm now going to go to features and extrude it to be 0.37. Now all those are taken from the measurements that I used my digital caliper on. To get the little circles on the top, you're going to choose the top surface of your Lego block, go to your top view, and you're going to sketch a random circle somewhere in the vicinity of where you want it to begin. The diameter of those circles is 0.19. And then because I need 2 rows, I want to just kind of use an estimate measurement. You can use a digital caliper for this tool. If it's not exact, it's not going to be the end of the world. I'm going to use 0.18 as my distance. That's my first circle. Now I have 2 options to get multiple circles. I can draw 3 more circles going across the x-axis and then 4 circles below it, or I can use the command called linear sketch pattern. Click on linear sketch pattern. On my x-axis I don't want 2, I want 4. Choose the circle and you notice how 4 circles appear. My spacing in between them is going to be set to 0.3. On my y-axis I want 2 rows. I want them to be going in the downward direction, so you're going to hit this icon to the left hand side that says reverse direction. Notice how it now goes in a downward direction. And my spacing between those two, I'm going to just have it at 0.3. Check mark. The last tool is to give these a height. The height for now is going to be 0.07. Hit the check mark, and there's your simple, quick Lego piece. Now the distance between here and here is not equal on both sides. You can take more accurate measurements with the digital caliper. To change color of the Lego shape, highlight the icons on the left hand side where it says Boss Extrude 1 or Boss Extrude 2. It might say something different, but notice how my icons highlight on the screen. Go up to the edit appearance, this little ball of color. Click on that icon once. Over here you'll have appearances, color in parentheses. Hit the plus sign, and then just choose any of these materials. I want to make mine painted, and I want to make it a red block. Hit the check mark when you're done. Here's my red Lego piece. If you want to take your Lego pieces a step further, click on the bottom part of it. Click on the command called shell, and you're going to measure the thickness of the wall on the back of the Lego with the digital caliper. I got 0.06. It now hollowed out my Lego piece, and then I can color in this bottom piece by clicking on the shell, click on the ball of color, choose car or sprayed. I'm going to do red spray paint and hit the check mark. You can then keep adding more detail to each Lego piece. Once you're completed, save it as Lego Block 1 or Lego Red Block or the title that you decide.